guys, so my name is Zai and I am the founder of DigiNorm, which is the brand that I created for selling digital products. Now, kung tatanungin mo na ako agad na, kailangan ba merong brand? May sarili kang brand? The answer is no. Kasi nga, iba't iba lang tayo ng trip dyan. So, kung gusto mo may sarili kang brand or gusto mo name mo lang, push. Pwede dito kahit ano. But, let's proceed kung bakit ka nandito sa video na 'to at bakit mo 'to pinapanood. Maybe nag-inquire ka sa TikTok, sa Instagram, or maybe Facebook kung paano ba yung sinasabi kong digital products. So, what is digital products and how can you earn from it? So, ano nga ba yung mga digital products? So, yung digital products na sinasabi natin dito is yung mga products na available online na kapag binayaran mo is meron ka na agad access or instant download or tinatawag na instant access. So, let's see what are the examples of digital products. So, number one, ebooks. Number two, online courses. Number three, software applications. Number four, music and audio files. Number five, graphic design templates, and so on. So, pwede nyo tong screenshot kung gusto nyong i-save for future purposes kung may balak din kayong magbenta ng digital products. But let's talk about the most popular digital product ngayon, which is online courses. So, sa mga nakakaalam dyan or sa mga gustong mag-freelance, alam nyo na sobrang daming online courses na pwede nyo i-take para makapagsimula as virtual assistant, as social media manager, or kung ikaw ay currently virtual assistant na, pwedeng pang-upskill. Ganon. So, this is just one example of digital product, which is online courses. Meron ding mga social media templates, like the number 5, graphic design templates. Meron ding mga mobile apps kung magaling kang gumawa ng mga application, like yung mga games, like Dota or Mobile Legends, kung naglalaro kayo ng mga ganon. So, yun yung mga example ng digital products. Now, kung nakikurious ka na kung paano gagawa, saan gagawa, paano mo ibebenta, paano mo i-market, ito yung available course namin para sa'yo, which is yung Digital Product Creation Course. Dito sa course na to, matututo ka kung paano gumawa ng sarili mong product, like online courses, templates, ebooks, trackers, and marami pang iba from scratch. Matututo ka rin dito kung paano i-automate yung system mo for passive income after mo ma-set up lahat ng digital products na gusto mong ibenta. Meron ding built-in course na pwede mong ibenta agad-agad or i-resell agad-agad. Meron na ring built-in website or funnel na pwede mong gamitin to sell your digital products or online courses. All you have to do is to change all of the information to your information and it's good to go. Matututo ka rin kung paano mo i-market yung product, saan mo siya i-market, and anong gagawin mo sa first day, second day, third day, until seventh day to make your first sale. Now, ito yung pinaka-importanting part. Of course, kaya ka nga nandito, di ba, para sa side hustle. So, let's talk about the 3 ways to earn using this course. So, number 1 is reselling our existing course. So, dahil meron tong Master Resell Rights or MRR, ito ay yung right mo to sell the digital product or this online course and keep 100% profit on your own. Number 2 is create your own course or digital product. Kung ayaw mong ibenta tong course na to, that's totally fine because you can create your own course or digital product and still keep 100% profit. Kaso may problema kasi wala kang time gumawa ng digital product na pwede mong ibenta. Maybe busy sa work or maybe sa ACADS. But, ito yung bonus kasi meron ka na agad 15 million digital products na pwede mong ibenta plus get a reseller access to 300,000 ebooks na pwede mo ring ibenta. O di ba yung problema mo na lang is kung ano yung una mong ibebenta. Number 3 is offer this skill as a service to local and international clients. So for example, gusto mong mag-start sa freelancing or currently freelancer ka and gusto mo mag-upskill, pwede mo tang gamiting skill because this is a course creation na pwede mong i-offer sa lahat ng clients na nasa coaching business. For example, fitness coach, marketing coach, at marami pang iba. Now, kung tatanungin niyo naman ako kung legit ba yan, ma'am, sir, hindi ko talaga isusugal yung pangalan ko para manloko ng ibang tao. Andyan lahat ng social media accounts ko, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, lahat po sila naka-public. So, pwede nyo akong stalk para makampante kayo na legit akong tao. Na kung tatanungin niyo naman ako kung pwede ba sa beginner at hindi tech savvy, of course, yes. Kasi nga dito sa course na to, tuturuan ka kung paano yung gagawin mo from the start hanggang sa huli para makapag first sale ka ng sarili mong digital product or itong course na to. Ngayon, sasabihin mo, wala ka pang Facebook account, wala ka pang TikTok account, wala ka pang Instagram account, wala ka pang followers or kukunti pa lang yung followers mo, paano ka makakabenta? Hindi mo kailangan ng maraming followers, okay? Kasi kahit yung mga ka-start pa lang or kahit yung mga less than 20 followers, nagkakaroon po sila ng sale as long as consistent yung posting mo at pagmamarket mo ng product mo and may value yung isinishare mo sa lahat ng social media accounts mo. Which is, ituturo din dito sa course na to, plus yung weekly webinar na makukuha mo from me. It's a live webinar para meron tayong Q&A na magaganap kung ano yung lahat ng questions nyo, kung saan kayo nagkakaproblema, kung paano kayo matutulungan, and all. Uy, parang networking na yun. Charot, hindi po ito networking. This is pure reselling business. So, kung i-compare natin siya sa ibang product, like skincare products, yung skincare products usong-usong ngayon, di ba? So, i-resell lang din natin sila. May mga resellers yung skincare products, tayo naman resellers ng digital products. Unless, ikaw yung gagawa ng sarili mong digital product to sell as your own. Now, kung curious ka na kung paano mag-start and gustong-gusto mo nang magsimula, pwede mo i-click yung link below to directly check out with the payment methods available: PayPal, PayMaya, GCash, GrabPay, ShopeePay, at kung wala doon sa choices yung mga available payment methods na gusto mong gawin, you can send me a message on IG and I will reply. Now, kung meron ka namang questions, kahit ano pa yan, pwedeng-pwede mo pa rin akong senda ng message sa IG and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Now, kung hindi mo pa afford tong course na to, that's totally fine kasi meron akong available digital products at an affordable price that you can resell right away as your own and keep 100% profits on your own. Just go to the master library on my website to check all of the available digital products that you can directly check out as well. Hindi pa tapos. Kasi, kung wala ka pa talagang budget to buy digital products for you to resell or sell as your own, not a problem kasi bibigyan kita ng free digital products for you to resell and start your digital selling business. O, di ba? Ano ka pa? San ka pa? All you have to do is send me a message on my IG account or dgnorm.online IG account. Say, free digital products, all capital letters, okay? So again, free digital products, all capital letters, and I will reply to you as soon as possible and send you your free digital products for you to start your own digital product selling business. So, yun lang. Thank you so much sa panonood.